An evening wedding is one of the most challenging events when it comes to elegance. Can you imagine? That special night, dimmed lights, stunning decor, and you, shining without overdoing it, standing out as a sophisticated woman. You know that ballroom scene in Pride and Prejudice, 2005, flowing dresses, subtlety, and a restrained elegance that speaks louder than any extravagance. That's exactly what I'm talking about. I'm Carol, and if there's one thing I know, it's how to turn your elegance into a powerful tool to help you stand out. At 38, I've always believed that a real woman doesn't need to grab attention with extravagance or excess, but with refinement. And today, I'm going to share the secrets you need to be the best-dressed guest at the wedding you're attending. But first, an important note. Did you know that 85% of the women who watch my videos aren't yet subscribed to my channel? That means many are missing out on the chance to make their elegance profitable. If you want more tips like these, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and give me a like. And hey, if you dream of being a woman who exudes sophistication, even on your travels, don't forget to check out my ebook, Be Elegant When You Travel: Global Etiquette for the Sophisticated Traveler. The link is in the first pinned comment. Let's show the world that elegance never goes out of style, and yes, you can be the most impressive person at any party, starting now. At an evening wedding, everything changes, especially the atmosphere. It's not just about attending a formal event, but about capturing the mood of the occasion with a sophistication that only nightfall brings. The difference between a stunning dress and an over-the-top one can be as subtle as the sparkle of the stars. It's the same balance we see in films like The Great Gatsby. Luxury? Yes. Excess? No. That 1920s. Glamour is pure refinement, but it never screams for attention. Your look should be the same, elegant enough to be noticed, but never to the point of overshadowing the bride. Dresses, sets, and jumpsuits. When thinking about what to wear to an evening wedding, it's easy to fall into the obvious trap, the long dress. But is a long dress always the only option to shine? Sure, it has its timeless charm. But how about exploring other options that can surprise? Just as Bianca Jagger turned the white suit and tuxedo into symbols of bold and elegant style, you can transform pieces that aren't always associated with glamour into true fashion masterpieces. A jumpsuit can have the same impact as a long dress as long as it's chosen carefully. Think of Blake Lively in Cannes with her red jumpsuit, or Gigi Hadid at a gala, wearing a sparkling gold version. These looks showed that a jumpsuit can be just as glamorous as any dress. The key lies in the choice of fabric and the right details. Fabrics like silk or sequins bring the necessary shine, and elements like embroidered belts or modern cuts elevate the outfit, making the jumpsuit a perfect, refined choice for evening events. Another point many overlook is the power of coordinated sets. A matching skirt and blouse, or pants and top, can make just as much of an impact as a long dress. The trick? Choose pieces that look like they were made for the occasion. For example, imagine a high-waisted skirt paired with an embroidered top. It's the perfect contrast between traditional and modern, reminiscent of Princess Diana's style, iconic and innovative at the same time. The key is to focus on luxurious fabrics and cuts that flatter your figure. Want to wear a short dress? Go for it, but make sure it speaks more than just through its length. Opt for sophisticated cuts, details like embroidery or metallic fabrics. It's like the minimalist elegance of a noir film. There's no need for exaggeration. The magic is in the details. The right color. When it comes to an evening wedding, color choice goes beyond aesthetics. It touches on psychological aspects that influence the perception of elegance. Colors like black, burgundy, and red carry symbolism that conveys confidence, mystery, and power. One topic that can stir debate is black at weddings. Traditionally, black was reserved for mourning, but in modern fashion, it's become a symbol of sophistication. What matters here is the context. An evening wedding is the perfect occasion to showcase this classic, powerful color. The only caution? Avoid it if the bride requests otherwise, of course. Vibrant colors like red or yellow also have their rightful place. Remember Nicole Kidman's red dress at the 2007 Oscars? Bold and timeless at the same time, red works similarly for an evening wedding. These shades, when paired with elegant cuts, don't scream for attention. They command it. And for those who love lighter tones like pastels, here the key is balance. The color may be soft, but the details should compensate. Use sparkle, textures, or even embroidery to elevate what could be understated into something worthy of a glamorous night, much like when Blake Lively balanced a pale pink with stunning sparkles at Cannes. The right color isn't just about choosing it, it's about how you present it. The trick is balancing the natural brilliance of these colors with refined cuts and well-chosen accessories. If you opt for something lighter, like pastels, consider adding a touch of glamour with sparkling accessories or luxurious fabrics like silk, which can elevate any look to another level. The key lies in intention. Darker colors create an aura of mystery and refinement, while vibrant ones bring energy and personality. A well-chosen look is not just about the color, it's about what it communicates through every detail. Shine, embroidery, and fabrics. For an evening wedding, sparkle is not only welcome, it's practically essential. Embroidered fabrics and shimmering pieces come alive under the soft lighting of a nighttime event. Remember Margot Robbie's glittering black gown at the 2024 Oscars? That dress with its flawless drape demonstrated how sparkle, when balanced correctly, is the key to a striking yet sophisticated look, without going overboard. Many women hesitate to embrace too much sparkle, fearing it may be too much, but the secret lies in balancing texture and cut. A sequined dress can be perfect when the design is minimalist. Looking for something bolder? Structured fabrics like jacquard or heavy satin, which shape the body and have a dramatic drape, can be just as refined as flowy fabrics. Picture a gown with an architectural cut, inspired by Alexander McQueen's creations, where the structured fabric becomes art. For an evening wedding, such pieces are both appropriate and unforgettable. Shine, embroidery, and the weight of fabrics give personality to your outfit, making it stand out among others. The most important element is your intention. You want to sparkle as part of the atmosphere, capturing the essence of the event while never overshadowing the bride. Clutches. When it comes to wedding accessories, the clutch is the most appropriate choice. This small piece may seem simple, but it has the power to elevate your look, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. Subtle details like the design and finish of the clutch make all the difference, taking your outfit to the next level. While discreet, it brings that extra refinement to perfectly complement your attire. A clutch, whether plain, embroidered, or textured, is a practical item that also makes a style statement. For evening weddings, bold details are not only allowed but encouraged. The accessory can be the focal point of your outfit, adding personality and sophistication. Elements like gemstones, metals, and luxurious fabrics add glamour while maintaining the delicacy needed for the occasion. The magic of a clutch lies in its minimalism, small yet capable of aligning your look perfectly. More than just an accessory, it's an extension of your personality and elegance on such special occasions. The perfect shoes for evening weddings. The right pair of shoes can completely transform the impact of a look, especially for evening weddings. Stiletto heels are undoubtedly the most classic choice for formal events, giving an elegant posture and elongating the silhouette. However, not everyone feels comfortable in them, and that's where the freedom to adapt without sacrificing sophistication comes in. A block heel, thicker and more stable, provides the perfect balance between comfort and style, adding a modern twist to your outfit, something you might not expect from a more structured shoe. If the idea of wearing heels, whether stiletto or block, doesn't appeal to you, flats can also have their place. The key is in the details. A sandal adorned with gemstones or a flat with festive finishes can keep your look polished without feeling too casual. Luxurious fabrics and metallic accents elevate these shoes to the level of evening wedding attire, steering clear of the everyday look. The secret is to choose footwear that complements the rest of your outfit, balancing comfort and glamour. Whether hidden beneath a long dress or showcased with a midi length, shoes are more than just an accessory. They're the final touch that ties your entire look together, ensuring that every step you take is filled with elegance. Makeup and hairstyle. In evening weddings, makeup and hairstyle play a pivotal role, elevating your overall appearance to match the sophistication of the event. Heavier makeup with dark tones and depth is both allowed and encouraged. This is the time to go bold with a striking smoky eye, dramatic eyeliner, or intense lips. Unlike daytime events where subtlety is key, the night allows you to embrace rich textures, shimmering finishes, and even apply more product for a glamorous effect. The bold eyes and bold lips look works beautifully here, delivering a red carpet-worthy style. As for hairstyles, they're far from just a detail. They frame your face and can completely change the impact of your outfit. If your dress or outfit is more minimalist, a more elaborate hairstyle can provide the final flourish that makes all the difference. Think sleek buns, high ponytails, intricate braids, or even an elegant half-updo to instantly add sophistication to your look. Even if you choose to wear your hair down, it's essential that it's styled to reflect the significance of the occasion. Whether with soft waves from a curling iron, a well-executed blowout, or a flawless finish for curly or coily hair, the combination of hairstyle and makeup serves as a true signature of style for evening events. This is your moment to be bold without the fear of overdoing it, because for evening weddings, a well-balanced touch of excess is what defines the final look as sophisticated and memorable. Accessories. Accessories play a crucial role in any look for evening weddings, adding that luxurious touch that makes all the difference. Earrings, necklaces, and bracelets are the true stars when chosen wisely. The balance between sparkle and refinement ensures that your look remains elegant and well-coordinated. Rather than opting for rustic or casual pieces like plastic or rubber, it's ideal to choose accessories that either appear to be or are real jewelry. The right choice of materials is essential. Shiny stones, precious metals, and more delicate or sophisticated designs elevate your ensemble, especially when paired harmoniously. Earrings and necklaces can certainly be worn together, but they need to complement each other, creating a cohesive and stylish look. The goal is to craft a look that conveys luxury and elegance without feeling overdone. After all, the right accessories can transform a simple outfit into something memorable, especially for evening events. How to reuse dresses for multiple weddings without losing elegance. Repeating dresses at different weddings is not only possible, but also a smart and stylish choice. Reusing the same piece for multiple occasions is a great way to maximize the value of a quality dress. The trick lies in versatility and strategy. By rotating the events and guest groups, you can confidently wear the same dress without feeling repetitive. The key to a dress that works for both day and night weddings is to choose a long, plain dress without excessive embellishments. Vibrant colors like hot pink, orange, or royal blue bring the right energy for daytime while also standing out at night. A flowy, airy cut ensures the dress adapts to different settings and wedding styles, whether outdoors or in a sophisticated ballroom. Another smart option is to invest in long skirt and blouse sets, or even an elegant jumpsuit. These pieces are versatile and can easily be adapted to different levels of formality with the right accessories and makeup. Reusing outfits is not only practical, but also a sign of good taste and how fashion can work in your favor for any event. Now that you know how to look flawless for an evening wedding, from the dress to the accessories, why not add a finishing touch with easy, elegant hairstyles? Often, it's the hairstyle that makes all the difference in the overall look. And you definitely don't want to miss out on that detail, right? Check out my video, 5 Easy and Elegant Hairstyles for All Hair Types, which will help you complement everything you've learned here. After all, a complete look is the secret to standing out effortlessly with elegance. Today, we talked about choosing the perfect dress, from flowy gowns to stylish jumpsuits, the accessories that make an impact, and how to smartly reuse your outfits. No need to spend a fortune for every event, right? Knowing how to reuse what you already have with class is what will make you shine. If you enjoyed the video and want to become a more successful and elegant woman, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and give it a like, because here, elegance isn't just a matter of style, it's a profitable strategy. And of course, comment below with chic guest. I'll love to see your thoughts. And if you want to be a sophisticated traveler anywhere in the world, don't forget to check out my ebook, Be Elegant When You Travel: Global Etiquette for the Sophisticated Traveler. The link is in the first pinned comment. See you in the next video with more tips on how to make your elegance a success.